shaking from a car, and I was just shaking.
Oh yeah?
Underneath this mask, I promise.
Off to tuning.
So we are on our way to the tuners, and right now we're going to 412 Motorsport. They are going to be tuning the K car for us. So it's about a 32-minute drive. Tow truck already has the K car.
Use the right two lanes to take the exit for I-405 north.
So they should be able to get it to run right. Tito worked really hard to get it done fast enough. I mean, we barely just got that thing loaded. We like threw the fuel pump on like 30 seconds before the tow guy came. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. We're heading there right now. All right, so small update. We just dropped off the car to Sam, 412. He's gonna do us a favor. He's gonna help us a little bit up with the cleaning of the car and small stuff like that. Nothing major, but you know, the car does need a little bit of touch up. The exhaust, small stuff like that, just appearances, so that way we're ready for tomorrow. So he's at the car right now, but he did need some other things that we had at the shop. So we're gonna basically use everything we got at the garage stick shop and all of his manpower, and what we're gonna do basically is put our efforts into this car for tomorrow. So this day is getting a little bit longer, but see how it goes. I mean, at least now we have people who actually put cars together on board, and the best people who make parts on board. So what can go wrong? I'm over here waiting while they're doing work, and Gus came to visit me. He brought me poison candy and racing seats.
Don't tell them. I didn't endorse that. I found it.
Okay,
I was driving down the street and I found that bag, so I'm like, oh, Matthew drinks this stuff.
Exactly, drinks this stuff right here. It's not for me, it's for the guys inside, most likely.
I don't want to be an enabler.
Too late. They got a lot of cool stuff out here. I mean, really cool stuff. And they are working on the K car inside right now, so we're going to be checking in right now, see how it's going. And these guys know their E30s too. I mean, this is actually the owner's personal drift car over here, so super cool stuff over here. And then the K car's inside, so we'll see how it goes. All right, so we're here with Sam, owner of 412 Motorsports, and he's working away fixing weirdness of the wiring. So these guys got cool stuff. I mean, laying around. I mean, honestly, I feel like the E30 is kind of the runt of the group, to be honest. So it looks like it's getting the treatment now. So stay tuned. We're gonna fix the wiring and then off to the tune. Dude, it's like a Honda, just like graveyard, except they only die with 1,000 horsepower over here. Look at this. Thing's wild. So these will be the boys tuning up our K30. So they're unloading a car right now, and then after that we're gonna end up loading up our K car. So she's parked outside. Made it 4 miles today. 4 miles. I mean, it drove okay, you know, putted along, but with the tune, I'm sure it'll do a lot better. But here she is. People seem to be digging these cars, man. It's a pretty awesome combo. So muffler's, you know, pretty loud right now. Probably gonna maybe go up on the right height. I don't know. I mean, it's kind of low. I'm not sure if it'll be functional at this height. We're still gonna have to take it to the shop today and do the final touches. I mean, that exhaust is gonna have to be touched up a little bit. It actually has no muffler on it right now. NRG came with the custom steering wheel. A lot of tidying up to do, but at least we're here right now, so we'll see how that goes. They're unloading that car. It's about 3:15 roughly right now, so hopefully once they've unloaded that car, we'll go in there and I don't know, maybe we'll be on the shop probably 6 or 7. It'll be after hours. Hopefully a couple of the guys are still going to stick around so that they can we can end up, you know, doing the final touches on the car. But see how it goes. Till then, we're gonna see all the cool stuff they got over here. Fingers crossed, man.
Yeah. 200.
Like I said, 50 horsepower, I'm happy. I don't even care. As long as it runs.
No, and then you got BMW look back.
Okay, all right, fair enough.
No, I think
What are you guessing it'll make?
I'm gonna shoot for around 200.
200?
But I mean, the motor, these motors, I normally get 220 out of them or so.
So it's about 5:15 and we're getting progress. The DME managed to forget its name, as we put it, and had to reflash firmware. So got that far. Now we found an intake manifold leak. So the guys are on it. Almost there. Can you guess what's in the shed? For the record, Gus has saved me for 2 days in a row. Here he is. And he brought me food.
And churros.
Oh yeah, and churros. So, look at that! Yeah! Much excited. All right, it's now 6:30, but it's alive. So we're not able to trust the AEM temperature right now. It thinks it's overheating. It's not. We hope. All right, so it is now 7:30. Gus is still here, and we have gotten, okay, not we, he has gotten the fan to kick on and off, and it's idling a lot better, fixing vacuum leaks, and we're ready to go. Now 8:30. Guys, you can't see him, but he's waving and you can hear it. Let's go see what they did. We had to go pick up the M3. That was the daily driver, but 412 Motorsports is actually closing, so if I needed a ride home, that's I had to go get the car. Luckily Gus was able to give me a ride. So, and they're still working away. Last dyno numbers were 168. You'll see where they got it at now. All right, so motor has a lot of vibrations, no idea why, but we'll get to the bottom of it. But it managed to drain all its oil out. The oil plug. Yeah, all of it. But luckily Gus was here, told us to shut it off in time. So more oil and try again. It is now 9 o'clock. Close enough. We're like 4 hours, but it's okay. Get it done. No headlights, but we still want to go for a test drive in a safe environment.
He's really driving the car with my flashlight out of the window. It's a bright flashlight, but it's still a flashlight.
Triple A to the rescue. Just don't want to risk driving it without headlights. Our flashlight expedition was a bit much, but yeah, they'll get it done.
So fucking awesome.
Yeah, E30 with K24.
What inspired you to do that?
Oh God, I don't know, Gus. What?
Why not?
Why not? Yeah, the audience. Yeah, you know, I had no idea.
Do you mind if we
Yeah, of course. No, of course, go for it. Well, it's now 12:30 in the morning. She's home though. So it's a long day, but finally we get to end it on a pretty good note there. So home with the others. Time to go to bed. That's right, Tito. Let the aggravation out. Let it out before you burn the clothes. Yeah? That's right. Put that back.
likes it.
Trying to get it loose right there. Do you see that?
He likes it.
Push it. It's like, come on.
How was it?
Oh, amazing. This thing rips. It's crazy what kind of sounds this thing makes.
Maybe the sound, maybe the number just got us like we're too concentrated on the number. He's able to rep match it perfectly. Alright, Derek. I got this. I know what to do.
I'm not gonna go like that. Lean into
They're good, huh? Look at that. Oh boy, we gonna make a grip driver out of you, boy. Derek, what are you doing, Derek? Keep it down, Derek. Derek, you are out of control, Derek. Ripping up and down this neighborhood like that.
Did you like it though? Good!
No. Did they like it, Derek? They love it.
They didn't say they hated it.
Yeah.
That's our first Honda hater. I'm like literally never shaken from a car. And I was just shaking.
Dude, you sent it. And your rep match was like.
Oh, pretty fun. I had one really nice bop back there. It was like whoop, right into the gear. I was like,